What's up guys, TWCFX here, aka Trade with Chris FX Academy, and today I'm going to work with you and show you how you're going to trade the Jump 25 index profitably, doing what matters most to you with those who matters most to you. And I'm really going to show you how Lucky Man, you already know him, he trade only volatility indices and Jump index profitably, doing what matters most to him with those who matters most to him. So I'm going to show you what Lucky Man look at and what make him to be consistent trading the Jump index. Number one thing that you get to understand is that the Jump index is really volatile. It's really volatile, so you have to wait for all your conditions to be made, and Jump index can really make you to become a millionaire in the blink of a second, in the blink of an eye. So you're watching this video for the first time, I want you to do me a favor, and you're also doing yourself good. Make sure you like this video, share it, let it go viral, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is the main important thing, so that anytime I uploaded new content, you will be aware of it. It has been of benefit to a lot of people that have been eating from this channel. You've been benefiting, so don't forget guys, you are one of the top-notch person here that help this channel to keep moving forward. Okay, without wasting much of your time, we are already in the H4 time frame. Then we are going to take our entry from the 30M time frame. I'm going to show you what really transpire, a very simplified strategy that will really make you to make money. Let me carry my part. You already know that I only do structure and structure and structure. So structure, the reason why I like structure, I don't do chart pattern, because structure is the backbone of price, and we have been teaching you guys and been saying things that are really important here. I talk about point A and point B, and I talk about what structure. So this one now, this market, if you can see this market entirely from this level that I marked upward to this level, is an upward movement. So let's mark our structure correctly. And what make a upward trend structure to be valid is because of what it is really producing a series of what higher high and lower low. Sorry, higher high and higher low. Higher low, then what? Higher high. Higher low, then a high. Then what? A low, a high. Then what? A higher low, then what? A higher high. Then from this level, if you can check it very attentively, where it's showing 134,104, that from that level in the H4 time frame, we will discover that price has not yet break what? Price has not yet break that level. Then price gave us a what? A higher low, but without a higher high. So it means that this high is a short-term high. It means there is a shift of momentum from the buy side to the sell side. So from this level, we will be waiting for the behavior of price. So you realize that from this level, price crashed downward. You understand? Crashed downward and took off what? And took off this existing higher low. So now what we will get to put at the back of our mind is that price is now going short. Price is really going short time. All right, it's going short. That is, we are switching from the what? We are switching from the upward trend to the downward trend. So now we are streamlining everything downward to our what? To our lower time frame, so that we'll have a good position to shoot in the trigger. So can you see we have what? We have a lower high and a lower low. So let's switch everything guys to our what? To our lower time frame. Let's go to the 30M time frame without wasting much of your time. Doki doki. All right. Okay, let me do something very briefly. In the H4 time frame, let me mark out my what? Let me mark out my strong higher low. Let me carry my what? My horizontal support line and fix it at this level and study the reaction of price. So I have marked everything out. So now let's head way. Let's streamline down to the 30M time frame, which we are going to what? To figure out our point of interest. You might be watching this video for the first time, but you should help me, help yourself also, and what, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, I want you to see something. So this is the point that we mark out our what, this is the point that we mark out our, the point that we mark out our horizontal line acting as a support. So this is our higher low that price has not what, that price came back and break after giving us a shift of momentum to the what, to the sell side. All right, so let's study price behavior for a short period of time so that we'll have a good, what, so that we'll have a good setup here. And I'm going to work with you and show you how we are going to, how we were able to milk this, doing what matters most to us with those who matters most to us. So from the lower time frame, I'm really going to connect my point A and B, our point A and B. So this will be our point A and this will be our point B, or we can decide to connect our point A and point B. All right, so we carry our what, our trend line, and what, connect our point A and B. So can you see from this level we have connected it? So what are we going to wait for before we shoot in the trigger? So we can decide to wait for price to what, to take this what, to take this low here, then what, we wait for a retest, or we can decide to what, to enter from this point, and our what, our stop loss should be above this level. All right, let me carry my short position. So I said we enter from this level, guys, this level. Our stop loss should be what, above this low, then TP should be somewhere around this level. So can you see everything drafted out, guys? Everything is drafted out. So let's mark it. This is the forex market. If you really know what you're doing, you will make the cool cash. So something again transfer at this level. Let me mark out some things for you again, guys. So if you will put a watchdog here, if you watch me very attentively, you discover that this is a counter trend movement. We have a high and we have a low, then we have a what, a higher high, then we have what, a higher low, a higher high, then we have what, a higher low, then we have what, then we have a high. There was a shift of momentum from this level. So I'm really going to what, I'm really going to take this out. So now we are going to connect our point A and point B at the current counter trend so that we have a suitable entry. So this can be our point A and this can be our point B. All right, this is our point A. Using our trend line, we connect it. We connect our point A. Can you see it? So now what are we going to be expecting? We'll be expecting for price to come and break this level. Let me take this. All right, so let me carry my horizontal support line, and let's fix it here, guys. Let's fix it at this point B. So now we will be studying the price. We will be studying the reaction of price. Do you discover that when there is a shift of market momentum, when there was a shift of momentum to the sell side, you wait for price to what? You wait for price to come and what? To come and break this support and also break your point B line, and you have to see price with a full body, So we will enter at this level, which I'm going to mark everything out for you guys. Let's shut it down. So we enter at this level, at this current level. This is the jump 25 index market, and if you really know what you're doing, guys,